Problem 7.49. Magnesium metal reacts with hydrochloric acid to produce hydrogen gas. What volume in liters of hydrogen in STP is released when 8.29 grams of magnesium reacts? It seems like I just worked this problem. It must have been for a different class or section or something. But at any rate, what you need is you need a volume. Well, they've told you at STP. What do we know about STP? We know a couple things about STP. First of all, we know the pressure is 1 atm. Second, we know the temperature is 273.15 Kelvin. We also know, well, that's what we know. If we think in terms of pivnert, then we've got the pressure and the temperature we need to solve it. We're wanting to solve for the volume, so what we need is a number of moles. How are we going to get the number of moles? By doing stoichiometry based on that problem. So we've got 8.29 grams of magnesium. And we go to our periodic table and we convert grams to moles because that's the only thing that grams are ever good for. And we see that 1 mole of magnesium has a mass of 23.985 grams. We now have moles of magnesium. We don't want moles of magnesium. According to our chemical equation here, chemical equation says 1 mole of magnesium is needed for every 1 mole of hydrogen gas that we produce. So we've gone from grams of magnesium to moles of magnesium to moles of hydrogen gas. Now we could go into STP, take the number of moles that we're going to get out of this equality and plug it into pivnert, or we could remember something else we know about STP. Remember, I said you'd be a lot of fun at parties if you remembered that at STP, 1 mole of gas has a volume of 22.4 liters. This gives us a ratio, a conversion factor. So we can use this fact to simplify this problem, where we can say that 1 mole of hydrogen gas has a volume of 22.4 liters because we're working at STP. If we weren't working at STP, then we'd have to go into pivnert to solve for our volume. But because we're working at STP, we can go straight to our liters of hydrogen gas and make life a lot easier on ourselves. So now we just go 8.29 divided by 23.985 times 22.4. And that gives us 7.74 liters of hydrogen gas. And that's it. Beep.